Hey guys, it's me again, Fortress with FortressLens.com, and I have a good one for you today. Woohoo! Y'all ready? Let's explore. Have you ever been in a situation where you felt like going inside your favorite photo editing software like Lightroom and Photoshop, better off your favorite video editing software like Final Cut Pro and or Premiere, and touch the dials and knobs, bells and whistles? Well, look no further, because the future is here. Well, kind of like Back to the Future. No? How about the more things change, the more they stay the same?
Really?
Still? All right, okay. I know that's a little bit oxymoronic, but you get my drift. This product that I'm talking about is called Loupedeck. Loupedeck was originally funded on Indiegogo campaign and was designed and developed specifically for Windows and or Mac. Well, I have a MacBook as well as Windows operating system, but today, for today's exploration, I will be using my MacBook. The genius idea behind this product was precisely to speed up your workflow. Now, I can't quantify how fast it will increase your workflow, but I guarantee you it will be increasing mine, because I definitely can use a little bit of boost or extra time on my schedule. Now, before we even go any further, I still have it in the box, all right? So without further ado, let us go and unbox it. Y'all ready? Let's go. So let's check this thing out. Let's look at this thing here, starting with all the functions. So here you have the selection tool. This is where you make a quick selection for your photos and you rate them starting with the highest to lowest for future edits. In the color management area, this is where you enhance or desaturate your colors using these adjustment tools here with ease, from global modifications to precision touch-ups. The lighting adjustment, this area here, you can use these to adjust your overall brightness, image contrast, shadows, highlights, and so forth. Okay, in this area, personalized functions. In this section, these here allow you to customize your tools to fit your personal style of editing, or simply get creative with additional options that will free up your workflow. And then we move on to general functions. Here you can speed up your workflow with instant access to essential functions like before and after, copy paste, and undo redo. The funniest thing is that contrary to the traditional click and drag function, on a keyboard, the control dial offers a seamless operability, which allows you to keep your eyes on the image, say, while cropping. You can also customize, let's check out this custom mode area here. Furthermore, you can take your customization to the next level. Tone curves can be extremely delicate. Enjoy effortlessness control of extremely delicate functions such as the tone curve, split toning, sharpness, noise reduction, and many more. This is the area that I use for split toning. Use this for split tone sharpening. I don't compromise my ISO. I always shoot with low ISO to avoid noise. But in case you do, anything basically over 1,000 ISOs, you start introducing noise on your images. But if you do, you can use this area here for your noise reduction and many more. And then finally, keyboard mode. You can actually revert back to keyboard mode which converts rating buttons. Like for example, here you can convert rating buttons into common keyboard modifiers. So modifiers like Escape, Shift, Control or Command on a Mac, Alt or Option on a Mac, and Tab. With all that said, in my opinion, I think it would have been great if the Loupedeck came with a trackpad on board, embedded on it. But so far, I'm able to amalgamate the Loupedeck with my Wacom tablet, which works in my favor.